When the four digits of 2024 are added, the result is 2 plus 0 plus 2 plus 4. And when you add those up, you get 8. And therefore, the answer is B. If n is equal to 5, the value of n plus 2. N plus 2 is equal to 5 plus 2, and that is 7. The answer is C. Which of the following shapes has a vertical line of symmetry? So vertical would be top to bottom, so something like that. Well, which of these, when you draw that line, would be able to cut it in half equally? Well, I believe it's this one right here. So if I can, let's say, draw a, well, it's supposed to be a straight line, but you guys understand, it would break it up into equal parts, so the answer is E. Students at Gauss Middle School were asked to choose their favorite school day. Their results are shown in the circle graph. Which day was chosen by exactly 1/4 of the students? 1/4 is how much in percentage? 25%. So all we have to do is look at the graph and see which one is 25%. And that is right there, Wednesday. So number 4, the answer is C. A square with side length 5 has area of. So if you have a square and the side lengths are 5, the area is equal to 5 times 5. And 5 times 5 is equal to 25. And that would mean 5, the answer is E. In the diagram, angle PQR is a straight line. The value of x is. The value of x would be equal to the entire angle, which is 180, minus that 146. And that, I believe, is 34. So 34 degrees, and therefore number 6 would be E. Katie completed 2 laps of a track without stopping. The first lap took 3 minutes and 45 seconds, and the second lap took 4 minutes and 35 seconds. What was her total time? So 3 minutes and 45 seconds plus 4 minutes and 35 seconds. So that's going to be, let's see here, 7 minutes, and that's what, 80 seconds. So 80 seconds is another 1 minute and 20 seconds. So the grand total is 8 minutes and 20 seconds. And 8 minutes and 20 seconds, I believe, is D. The sequence of 5 symbols repeats to form the pattern. If the pattern is continued, the 23rd symbol of the pattern is. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, repeat it. Again, repeat it. And then you're going to get to the 23rd. This is the 23rd because I have put 23 dashes. So these 5 symbols basically would go here, right? Then go here, and then here, and then here. I'm not going to draw them out. But then you get the first symbol, which is the circle. Then you get this triangle, and then you get this square with the X on it. That symbol right there. So that would be C for number 8. Olivia cuts a 42 centimeter length of string into 2 centimeter pieces. Jeff cuts a 42 centimeter length of string into 3 centimeter pieces. How many more pieces of string does Olivia have than Jeff? For Olivia, it's 42 divided by 2, which is 21. 21 pieces. For Jeff, it's 42 divided by 3, which is 14 pieces. So if you're comparing 21 to 14, obviously that's 7 more. So therefore number 9 is A. A number is chosen randomly from the list 1 through 9. The probability that the chosen number is divisible by 2 or by 3 or by both 2 and 3 is, well, the list is right there, so let's just circle those. Divisible by 2, obviously the even numbers. Divisible by 3, 3, 6, and 9. And divisible by both would be a number divisible by 6, and I've already circled the only one, which is 6. So how many did I circle? 6, and the total number of numbers is 9. And that's it. Number 10, therefore, is 6 over 9, which is C.